iPhone kékeré yìí kò power, so na complain ó ní ká bá òun check ẹ̀ pé anything tó bá ṣe pé ká bá òun jí phone yẹn padà, pé òun ti try láti ṣe, wọ́n ní power àìsí àbí nǹkan kan ṣá. Although a ní láti take time láti check ẹ̀, so màá walk yín through process bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè identify problem iPhone. First of all, I insert charger, kò tọ̀nà, kò ṣe anything. So ìgbà tá tú a rí pé battery yẹn ò sí ní good condition. Flex ẹ̀ wà ńbẹ̀, but wọ́n ti pack ẹ̀, bóyá wọ́n ti replace BMS ẹ̀ or so in an attempt to restore the device. So we just remove the battery. So as it is now, we are going to fix this device without DC supply. We are not going to inject any voltage, and this device is going to work perfectly without DC power supply, because kí àwọn equipment yẹn tó dé, bákan la ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ onco, you know. There are some people that they don't use most of the machineries that we are using these days, and if they tell you that nǹkan báyìí ló ń ṣe fún nǹkan tó ń ṣe náà nìyẹn, but we are not going by that medium. So wọ́n yọ battery tó wà ńbẹ̀ síta, mo ní láti wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé short circuit ló ní ni? Ṣé current leakage ni? Níbo gangan ni current flow ti stop? So now a ní láti kọ́kọ́ insert charger. Now from the VBAT line, if you open a device, first thing a máa ń kọ́kọ́ ṣe, tí mo ti sọ fún yín, is an OBS. You understand? Ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti ń follow mi bọ̀, mo pé máa understand. So detailed explanation, more better explanation wà lórí YouTube fún steps tá fi ṣe léyìí. VBAT line yẹn is fine, no short, either full or half short, nothing occurred. Everything is fine, but voltage is not getting to that region. At least it should have something like 0.4, okay? It does not have, even though power button will trigger more voltage to that area, but still it's not giving us anything. So what could be the problem? That's what we need to verify. After checking, I discovered that the subboard is bad. So we need to replace the subboard first, because it's not giving us enough voltage that could make device to come up. And by the way, that's one of the problems the device yẹn ní. Now, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní observe it critically, mo check ẹ ní under microscope. I get to know that FPC line ti display yẹn àti ti touchpad ẹ̀, ó ti ní missing trace. Missing trace wà láàrin the FPC line for the display and the touchpad on. But I need láti read the line yẹn one after the other to check what is actually wrong with it. So ẹ̀rí nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe bíbáyìí, but lórí YouTube video yẹn máa rí ọwọ́ mi dáadáa, because there is another video to cover and go in. So now I need to check schematic to know what to do in details, to understand how the FPC really works, so that màá lè mọ̀ if there is short line, I will know where to put a solution or to run a jumper. So now the FPC line is not showing clearly. I need to view it from microscope in order to check. So mo rí àwọn ibi tí ó short ńbẹ̀ tá ní láti repair. So I change FPC yẹn successfully. I to change downboard yẹn náà. So we just have to power up the device now to see if there is any improvement. And lo and behold, tá ṣe power device yẹn, ó come up straight. Although wọ́n ti suggest fún ẹni yẹn wípé ó ní power IC problem, but from this side, with the more troubleshooting tá ṣe, you were able to get it that it's not power IC problem. And the display flex, the display FPC from the screen itself, ó ti wọ́, we have to straighten it. There are some other ports too as well, to yẹ pé kò wà properly aligned. Maybe the person that coupled it up, or is a mistake, or kó jẹ́ owner gangan ló tú fún rẹ̀. So tẹ́ bá like video yìí, follow us for more video.